Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anupriya Goel from Berkowitz Hair and Skin Clinic, and today I'll be talking about some do's and don'ts of acne. Firstly, do not pick on acne or pop out your pimples because this can transfer the bacteria in your hands on your face, and this can turn the little blackheads or the whiteheads into those pus-filled pimples which look like a mountain on your face. Always go to a clinic to get your blackheads and whiteheads removed under sterile conditions and with sterile equipments under an expertise to get good results. Number 2, do not apply hair oil before you go to bed. Always apply it just 2 hours before you shampoo, because application of any oily substance like a gel or an oil can migrate to your facial skin and it can further lead to breakouts. Thirdly, if you have acne on your forehead or if you're more prone to developing acne, then do not let your hair fall on your forehead, because even the natural oils from your hair or if you have dandruff in your scalp can further aggravate acne on your forehead. Do not rub and scrub, because a physical exfoliant is never recommended if you have acne on your skin. That can further lead to rupture of your pus-filled lesions, which can spread the pus on your face and spread the bacteria, leading to more breakouts. What I would recommend is use a chemical exfoliant instead. A chemical exfoliant like an AHA or a BHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid or a beta hydroxy acid, can not only improve the acne lesions on your face, but it also brightens up your skin. If you have acne on your skin, do not use hot water. Always use warm water to wash your face. Hot water further dries up your skin and it leads to overproduction of oil from your oil producing glands to make your skin more soft and less dry. This can further lead to breakouts. Use a face wash containing benzoyl peroxide, azelaic acid or a salicylic acid to wash your face. There have been many studies that even a face wash, when used with right contents, aids in the treatment of acne. If you exercise a lot and you sweat a lot, use a thermal water mist or cleansing wipes to remove off that extra sweat off your face. If you have acne-prone skin, always use a face wash after you condition your hair, because of the moisturizing properties of the conditioner that can further clog your pores and lead to breakouts. So, always wash your face at the end when you wash your hair. If you're a teenage boy and if you've just started shaving, always use an electrical razor than a multi-blade razor. Because when you shave with a multi-blade razor, it cuts your hair below the level of your skin. And when the hair grows back, it can lead to folliculitis or formation of a bump. So always prefer use of an electrical razor because it does not cut your hair below the level of your skin. And it is a very good option for people who have acne-prone skin. Be patient and give medication some time to work their magic on skin. So stay healthy and stay beautiful. I hope you found this video useful. Do leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. You can even follow us on Instagram at Berkowitz Clinic. Thank you.